Introducing the TYPHON TERROR XVIII Mini Excavator, your ultimate partner for small to medium construction projects. Equipped with a high-performance Kubota D722 engine, delivering 16.4 HP at 3600 RPM for unmatched reliability and power. Designed for easy maneuverability, the TYPHON TERROR XVIII excels in restricted spaces without compromising performance. Versatility at its best, perfect for drilling, digging, grabbing, bulldozing, ditch cleaning, and landscaping. Engineered for first-time users, featuring a 380mm wide bucket and versatile boom swing for smooth operation. Extended operational efficiency with a 6L fuel tank and a 17L hydraulic oil tank. Comes complete with essential accessories: standard digging bucket, toolbox, canopy, and a detailed digital manual. Achieve impressive results with a digging depth of 2,060 mm and a digging height of 2,580 mm. From gardens and farms to public spaces, the TYPHON TERROR XVIII is a compact powerhouse for diverse settings. Outstanding durability with a water-cooled engine, ensuring resistance and longevity in demanding conditions. Effortless control and precision with our user-friendly design, making every task a breeze. Not just a machine, but a symbol of excellence and efficiency in small-scale excavation. Choose reliability, choose TYPHON TERROR XVIII. Elevate your projects with the compact and powerful TYPHON solution. Unleash excellence in every excavation task.